Hi, everyone. My name is Chris Hood. I'm a digital strategist at Google Cloud, and I wanted to let you all know about an exciting series we are producing on app innovation. Over the next several weeks, our team is going to be sharing with you ebooks, webinars, and podcasts that outline different ways your organization can innovate using APIs. In today's customer-centric marketplaces, organizations must possess the ability to scale applications globally and provide intelligence and personalization that their customers have become accustomed to. In fact, our research shows that 8 out of 10 consumers are more likely to buy from a company that personalizes their experiences. But how do you do this? How do you do it quickly? And how do you do it at scale? So, in this first webinar of the series, we're going to demonstrate this to you. We're going to show you how to build customer-centric digital experiences leveraging APIs. We're going to show how to develop business ecosystems that help drive enterprise innovation and how to use data-powered innovation to develop adaptable applications. And of course, we're going to have a ton of real-world use cases and customers sharing their results. So please join me using the link we've provided, and together we'll explore a detailed walkthrough of a digital-first approach that you can start using today to power new innovation and competitive advantages with APIs. See you then.